Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to edit music in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here. You can find all the instruments you can get started playing, you can find the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with editing music in GarageBand. So guys, you can see in this main page right here we can find all the instruments we can play. We can get started with adding a keyboard to our music, we can add drums and so on. So let's say you open up the keyboard and you want to get started recording. So what you're going to do is click the big red circle right here at the top of the screen. After clicking on the circle, you want to get started with recording your music, playing what you have, and after that click the finish button. After you have finished guys, now we can get started with finding our recordings right here in the upper left corner by clicking the edit button. This is going to open up this mixing mode where you can find all the tracks that we have. So as you can see, here is my keyboard and my track that I have played, and now we can get started with editing it. So basically, to add effects to your music in GarageBand, we are going to go ahead right here to the top of the screen, click the sliders button. In the sliders button, we have all the options we need to use, like plugins and equalizer, master effects, and so on. Alongside this, we also have the effects option where you can use your visual equalizers and effects options to get your desired effects. So this is how you get started with adding effects. If you click on your track right here, you can see you have even more options, such as clicking the edit button. That's going to open up the keyboard right here. You can get started with adding new notes and editing how your music sounds until you get your desired effect, and you can add as many instruments if you want. Just go back to the main page and open up a new instrument, and it's all going to be added to the same track. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.